Legal dictation. We ready? Start. Issued to all the district development and panchayat officers in the state who are competent authorities in this matter under section 200 of the act. These instructions read as under: action under this section may only be initiated and as and when any gram panchayat is unable to perform its duties within bracket except judicial duties bracket close. Before passing order under this section, the sarpanch and all the panches of the concerned panchayat be given 15 days written notice to perform their duties properly. Commence the work. In case he do not commence the work within the prescribed time, then the concerned sarpanch and panches be given 7 days notice for personal hearing, and why any other person may not be appointed to do the said work. Any person whosoever be appointed to do the work, he may be bound to complete the work within the prescribed limit. In the orders, it may be specifically be mentioned in the orders that the expenses on the work will be paid out of the panchayat funds. Keeping in view the importance of the work, every possible efforts be made to appoint a competent person to perform the duties of the gram panchayat. While passing such an order, it may be ensured that the order are itself speaking. It may be clearly mentioned in the orders that what circumstances cropped up due to which the said person is being appointed to do that work of the gram panchayat. While taking action under section of the act, the decision be taken after thorough consideration, so that the representatives of the democratic institutions may not be hurt. In case any authority issues under the violation of this section of the act, strict disciplinary action will be taken against him. As per section 201 of the Punjab Panchayat Raj Act 1994, power to call for proceedings of panchayat. The state government may call for the examine record of proceedings and the record of any executive order of any panchayat or any officers or authority of the panchayat for the purposes of satisfying itself as to the legality and propriety of any executive order passed therein, and may confirm, modify or rescind the order. As per this provision of the government can review legality of such an order and can confirm, modify or rescind it. In case any person has any objection against any order, he can bring the same to the notice of the government. It is only mentioned in the instructions that any case where administrator is appointed in violation of the departmental guidelines and the rules, action will be initiated against him under Rule 8 for imposing major penalty upon him. Though the instructions as issued may not fully remove the mischief, as there is enough scope still with the authorities to appoint administrator, but at least some safeguards have been now provided under the threat of action as well. This court can only hope that the officers entrusted with the responsibility to pass the order would strictly act in accordance with law and instructions, and would not pass such orders on the dictates of some high just to remove the sarpanch or the panchayat from utilizing the grant. With this hope, the case deserves to be given an unsatisfactory closure, leaving it to the courts to consider whether the instructions are followed in future or are just a mode of interfere in the elected panchayats. Full stop.